Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name is Chloe and today I'm going to be giving you a quick tour around this Audi approved A1 Sport, what we have in stock. It is a 1.4 petrol engine and it is finished in the beautiful brilliant black colour. Starting at the front of the car, we have got the halogen headlights, making sure you have the visibility that you need on every journey. And as we make our way to the side of the vehicle, we've got the stunning 16-inch 5-spoke design alloy wheels, and the exterior door mirrors are electrically adjustable and also heated just for your convenience. And as it is an Audi approved used vehicle, you will receive a 1 year's warranty. This includes key cover, MOT cover and roadside assistance too. But moving into the back on this hot hatchback, as you can see, it massively benefits from a really good practical size of the boot. But moving into the front of the cabin now, as you can see, we've got the cloth front sports seats which are super comfy. And as we turn around, we've got the 3-sport multifunctional steering wheel. As we move forward, we've got the multimedia interface in the centre. Here is where it houses all your in-car entertainment and all your car settings. This includes DAB digital radio, telephone and smartphone interface and also the sat-nav. And you'll also have all the traffic information, which is really handy on every single journey. Moving forward, we have got the manual air conditioning. I will just demonstrate quickly. It's really easy and accessible to you and your passenger in the front, and you'll be able to change the fan speed and also the temperature. We've also got Audi Drive Select button. This enables the driver to put their car into whatever mode they would like to drive in. So for example, dynamic for a bit more of a sporty drive. Additionally, with the 6-speed manual gearbox and the manual handbrake just for your convenience. But moving on to the steering wheel, just to the left hand side we've got the cruise control, making it such a dream to drive, alongside with the automatic rain sensors and the automatic headlights too. Moving on, we've got the digital dashboard in front of the driver. Here is where they'll get all the in-car entertainment up. This A1 has done 21,269 miles and comes with 2 sets of keys, which is really handy to have a spare. So if you would like to know any more information about this gorgeous A1 hot hatchback, please don't hesitate to contact us on 01254 868 216, and thank you very much for watching.